What if I told you that within the pages of these 7 books lie the power to transform your life forever? To unlock your potential and rise above the ordinary. Stay with me because the journey we are going to embark on will change everything you thought you knew about success and mastery. Welcome to our countdown of the top 7 books that can make you unstoppable and will shift your focus from having a fixed mindset to a growth mindset. Steve Jobs' biography by Isaacson Walter. Picture the CEO of the most random company in the world. Outside an Apple store, hiding himself behind the bushes. Yes, he wanted to see how customers interacted with the Apple products and then use that information to innovate further at Apple. That's the kind of power you will find in the pages of this book. Arguably the most popular biography ever written because of what an iconic businessman Steve Jobs was. Through this book, you will understand why he had such a relentless pursuit for perfection. We will get to the core of him, his leadership style, his idea for never giving up, anticipating consumer behavior, how to innovate and reinvent and strive for perfection. My life in full Indira Nooyi's autobiography. Picture this, a woman born in a small town in India, deeply intertwined with the values of education and reading, moving to a foreign land, went to the US for further studies at the age of 23 and joined PepsiCo. And in 2006, becomes the CEO of the company. Being a woman and a woman of color, the journey was not easy, was worth it. This book shows you how. In this book, Indra shares powerful personal stories that shaped her life. She talked about a library that was near her house, and to meet the deadline of the library, she had to finish the books very fast, and that helped her succeed eventually. This book provides a personal view of Nooyi's career, her rise as a corporate consultant and a strategist, her time at PepsiCo, and the sacrifices she had to make throughout her career. She talks about the challenges she faced as a woman and as a person of color in the corporate world and shares her strategies for overcoming those obstacles. Atomic Habits. Think of it as a survival manual for the one who is sure to succeed. In Atomic Habits, author James Clear wrote, "It doesn't matter how successful or unsuccessful you are right now. What matters is whether your habits are putting you on the path towards success or not." The basic premise of the book is that tiny fundamental changes build up over time, producing remarkable results. Focusing on making small improvements consistently is more effective than relying on sudden transformation. Examples such as reading for 5 minutes a day, eating slightly healthier every day, or exercising for a brief period a week can lead to significant long-term transformation. Limitless by Jim Quick. Imagine reading not just a book but a revelation. Now, let's spice things up with these key takeaways from the book Limitless. Unlock your mind. Limitless dismisses brain myths, encouraging us to unlock the full potential of our cognitive superpower. Memory mastery. Author Jim Quick shares practical memory technique, helping us remember and record information like memory results. Continuous learning. Limitless is the anthem of lifelong learners, reminding us that our brains always crave for knowledge. Elon Musk by Walter Isaacson. Imagine getting closer to the life of the most future-oriented and ambitious person on the planet. Looking into his life filled with amazing tales of triumph and turmoil. Through his book, you will learn about the ambitious goals of Musk to colonize Mars and why we should be a multi-planetary species. We will dive into behind the scenes of Elon's life, his life's mantras, planned investment strategies, his mindset. Most of the details found in this book cannot be found anywhere else on the internet. How when Elon Musk was a kid, he was regularly beaten by bullies, and his fathers, in fact, on his psyche modeling. The Snowball biography of Warren Buffett. Through this book, you will understand Warren's investment strategies and decision making, his investing style, his patience, and his discipline. His reality is very private, especially by celebrity standards. Never before has Warren spent countless hours responding to a writer's questions, talking, giving complete access to his wife, children, friends, and business associates, opening his files and his childhood. So this book has certain things that you will not find anywhere else. How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Picture this, you walk into a room full of strangers and leave with powerful allies. This is what this book will do to know. How to Win Friends and Influence People. This isn't just a book about making friends. It's a manual for winning hearts and minds. In today's world, when connections are everything, this book gives you the tools. So here are the 7 books that will shift your mindset, crop a fixed to a growth and make you unstoppable. If you want to know the habits of the rich, do watch this video. I hope you like the video. Please be followed.